Here is the wild part. You can pay your credit card bill every month and still barely move forward. Why? Interest is like a treadmill at the gym. You are walking, sweating, and trying hard, but the floor keeps moving under you. A balance transfer is one way to step off that treadmill for a short time. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover how to eliminate interest with balance transfers. Understand transfer fees and their impact. Learn the importance of paying off debt quickly. Avoid the trap of old card balances. Boost your credit score through utilization. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Balance transfer. Moving debt from one credit card to another credit card. Intro APR. A short-time interest rate offered when you first get the card. Transfer fee. A fee charged to move the balance. Principal. The actual amount you owe, not counting interest. Credit risk profile. The full story your credit report tells about how risky you may look to lenders. Now let's jump in. Think of a balance transfer like moving your debt into a quiet room where the interest meter is paused. You move a balance from a card charging high interest to a new card offering 0% intro APR. APR means the cost of borrowing money over a year. During that intro period, your payments can hit the actual debt instead of feeding the interest machine. Imagine you owe $4,000 on a card charging high interest. You pay $200, but a chunk gets eaten by interest first. That feels like grocery shopping with a hole in your bag. With a 0% balance transfer, more of that $200 can go toward the real balance. Same payment, better aim. Now, here is the catch most people skip. Balance transfers usually have a fee, often 3 to 5% of the amount moved. So if you transfer $4,000 with a 3% fee, that is $120 added. It is like paying a cover charge to enter the zero interest room. The question is simple. Will the interest savings be bigger than the fee? A 0% intro offer does not last forever. It may be 12 months, 15 months, 18 months, or 21 months. After that, the regular interest rate can jump back in. So do the math, like a recipe, balance plus fee, divided by months left. That is your target monthly payment if you want to escape before the clock restarts. The sneaky danger is not the new card, it is the old card. Once you move the balance, the old card may look empty again. That can feel like finding extra money in a jacket pocket, but it is not extra money. If you run that old card back up, now you have two balances instead of one. The win turns into a bigger mess. Credit is not just a score. It is a risk profile, which means your report tells a story about how risky you look to lenders. A balance transfer may help your utilization. Utilization means how much of your credit limit you are using. If one card was maxed out and now has room, that can look better. But opening a new card can also add a hard inquiry and a new account. This is where 850 AI can help you slow the whole thing down. You can ask it to review your balances, limits, interest rates, fees, and timeline. It can help you compare whether a transfer makes sense, build a payoff target, and spot risk points like maxed out cards or missed payment history. The goal is not just moving debt. The goal is moving smarter.